just in time, jump out there.
You're at Coleraine station level crossing in Portrush, Coleraine. First time ever filming on my new Samsung Galaxy S20 right here. So time is 18:13 and this is for your 18:14. No, that's where it's from Portrush to here, and also for your 18:19. No, that's where it's from down and there to where is it? To Griffith Street. Did miss the amber here though, but I don't care. I like it. It's not like my granddad to drive over here. Here it is.
Is there another one going out?
Yeah, that one's to here.
Right.
If it stays down, that means there's another one, and then if it goes back up, then they'll come back down again. Okay, they'll be coming back down in a sec, hopefully.
Where do you go to get home?
Um,
On the road to get home.
you go back over there. Yeah. So I think they're gonna go down again. So I think they're going.
Yeah.
We're at Coleraine station level crossing in. Go watch them. See, look, there's an alarm right there behind that building there. I don't think I'm gonna go get it. There you go, got it. So time is 18:19, and this is for 18:19. No one knows where it's from. They're not there to Griffith Street. Cool. I got the alarms there behind that building.
Right.
But the alarms are pretty noisy as well. You're cool. Cool. Oh, looks like we did get 2 trains here, I guess. One at Killigan, one at Dunley, and then one at Kilrat, and now there'll be 2 here, so that's like 5 trains we're seeing. So you see how large that station is? It's really massive. Yeah, the whole crossing's massive, and it's very rare as well. The rarest one ever. Must be the rarest one ever in Northern Ireland. There's an alarm there, an alarm there, an alarm there, an alarm there, and 2 over there. So that's
Aren't they alarms?
yeah, 6 alarms.
You wouldn't do much sleeping here at night?
No, they'll definitely have night mode here, I guess.
No, I wouldn't.
Here it is.
3 shops.
6 alarms and 5 barriers. 3,000, 4,000, 3,000. Where's the 1.5? I think that was. It says all the rest shops. Well, there's houses there.
I wouldn't worry about them, sir.
I know.
Very
And up like go. The bars they all go up slow.
Good stake getting them all up there.
Yeah, very slow. Up, and up. I think I'll see you next week.